Hi guys, Skylex back with another video. And these alarms are going to go off in a second because I did not reset the pole stations. Both of them. This one over here hasn't got reset. And I'm going to go reset the T-bar. Hopefully I can get there just in time to get the T-bar reset. Got it. Now the alarm shouldn't go off, but the trouble light will. But I just got a new alarm, as you guys seen. I got the notifier. The little crooked. See, the troubles did go off. No door because it's messing with it. Oh. I did switch the tone on that after seeing how to do that from SER Safety, if you want to go check him out. I watched his review on that and figured out that you could switch the tones on him, so I changed it to a different tone if you've seen the last video what it sounded like. Oh, and that little blue speck right where my finger is, that is from my light. See if I cover it from the camera. Hold on. It goes away. I also got a Simplex True Alert, non-addressable. It's not Smart Sync, so I didn't even to buy it. Well, all of a sudden, earlier, it decided to become Smart Sync, and now it won't work. And I've tried both polarities. I didn't mess it up, because when you do it the wrong polarity, none of the alarms work. So I'm going to be starting downstairs today, because I have a little surprise. Oh, hi, cat. There's my kitty. Hi, kitty. I didn't. And be quiet. I have a YouTube video going. All right, T-bar in 3, 2, 1. You can hear that chime is in code 3. So look. Yep. If you guys were wondering where the Wheel Like UL went, it's right there. Pretty cool. Hi, kitty. Oh, he's on. Hoverboard bags. Tell you what, that thing's still pretty loud. But as you can see, it's not the prettiest. What? I'm showing people my new alarms on YouTube. So you can see the wire runs along and then out the window. So, it's going to be the end of this video. See ya!